beautiful dolls, and welcome back to my channel. I have missed y'all very much. I wanted to sit with y'all and give y'all an update on my daily makeup routine. I did spice it up a little bit with a smoky eyeshadow just to have some fun with y'all. Let's get into today's makeup video. I have changed my makeup routine quite a bit, not tremendously, but quite a bit. So I thought, why not get y'all up to date on what's going on in my life and what my new makeup routine is. I have been posting like little videos here and there, but I haven't posted like a sit down, like get ready with me video in quite a while. So I'm excited to see how this goes because I feel a little rusty. As I always say, skincare is very important. So I'm gonna go in with my Good Molecules toner. She is by far my favorite toner I have ever tried. And if I'm being completely honest with you, I haven't tried a lot of toners, but I tried this one and I've just been rebuying it ever since. I think this is like my third or fourth time repurchasing it. Next, we're going in with a Good Molecules Discoloration Correction Serum. My skin compared right now to this time last year, absolutely horrendous. Like, it was so bad. I was in so much pain and I didn't even want to sit down and film any YouTube videos because my skin hurt so bad. I didn't even want to leave the house. But look at me now. Skin is thriving. I think it's a little irritated right now, honestly. But yeah, pretty much thriving. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. This is literally by far my favorite moisturizer. Like, I'm literally squeezing the life out of it right now. I bought their other one, which is this hydrating gel. It's a hydrating gel moisturizer with electrolytes, and supposedly this one is better for acne-prone skin. So that's why I wanted to try it out. But I definitely like the consistency of this lightweight daily one better. But I'm not gonna let myself like buy another one unless I finish that one, because I mean, it's not irritating my skin or anything. Like, it's great, it's amazing. I just don't like the like gel consistency. I like this thicker one better. So now we're gonna go in with our foundation. We're gonna go in, do I say we're gonna go in a lot? Like, I wonder how much I say that in a video. Like, wow. Okay, we're gonna go in. Next, we're gonna go in, like, girl, shut up, girl. Anyways, I'm going in with the About Face foundation. This is the Skin Focused foundation. She is amazing and I rave about her all the time. This is pretty much the only foundation that I use on my face. Typically, what I would do is smear foundation all over my face, but I've recently just been using it to shape out my brows. So I'll put a little bit of foundation here and a little bit under my eye and my chin. And I know you're like, that's still a lot of foundation. Compared to what I used to put on my face, no, it's not. I used to like slap foundation from literally the top of my forehead to like my neck right here, and then just like I was painting a canvas, which, I mean, slay, nothing wrong with that. But I just think the makeup that I've been doing suits me a lot better. And honestly, it's less overstimulating for sure for me, like, to wear less makeup. So, how have y'all been? I've definitely missed y'all. I have no idea why. I just did not have any motivation to like sit and film a YouTube video. But that has passed. The feeling to record is definitely here, and I was really busy. I think that was a lot of it. Like, I was really busy with a lot of stuff. I'm officially a licensed esthetician, so that was really like my main focus these past couple of months is graduating, finish my testing, and be a licensed esthetician. So I was doing a lot of studying, obvi, and I had to take 2 state exams. So that's why I just didn't have any motivation to like sit and film a YouTube video, because I was just really stressed about my exams that I had to take. And I also had my small wedding in November. It was just family, so I had to plan for that. It was honestly way bigger than I wanted it to be. Like, it was supposed to be really, really small. Like, I didn't even want, like, I didn't want nobody there. I just wanted, you know, my family and my husband's family. But I had that. Then I had my honeymoon, and once that happened, I had both my tests after that. So it was just a lot going on, and a lot of planning, a lot of scheduling, all of that stuff. And I also have like a at-home bakery, so I was doing that as well. And I just didn't balance in there doing YouTube videos or anything. I was posting on TikTok. Like, I do post on TikTok. At least I try to post once a day. So if y'all want to keep up with me, I would definitely suggest going on my TikTok, because I post on there pretty much every day. But yeah, I was just so busy. And I guess that's what's been going on in my life. I'm a licensed esthetician now, and I'm married. Like, what? And this coming year, we're gonna plan to do like our bigger wedding. We're gonna invite like our friends, more family. And I'm honestly excited, but planning that is very, very stressful. I got my wedding band, and then this is my engagement ring, so it looks really cute. Alrighty, so now that we've blended out our foundation, like, it just elevates me. Like, this amount of foundation is perfect. Next up is contour. I'm gonna use the Dibs Duo Stick. I don't really know what this is called, but it's in the shade, excuse me, it's in the shade 5.5. And of course, contouring the forehead, and just like that. I can't wait till I'm done getting ready, because I'm gonna make my morning coffee after this. So excited for that. Blend, 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 blend. And using the blush side of this Dibs Duo Stick, I did place a little bit of blush on my cheek and my nose, just because I thought that looked cutie. Now we're gonna go in with the Morphe setting powder. This is just the regular translucent one. And then we're just gonna set our entire face. Now that we've completely set the face, I am gonna use this KVD contour palette. Fabulous. And I am gonna go in with this Juvia's Place little blush palette. This is in the shade Volume 4. And I'm gonna use this pink one up here, just so that I can go over the areas that I already did with blush, just to make it a little bit more pigmented is all. Okay, I did my nose contour, and for some reason, like, it's just not doing it for me. So I'm gonna move on before I like rip my face off probably. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Moon Crush highlighter. As y'all know, this is my fave highlighter in the whole entire world. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my nose. Hopefully it like makes the contour look a little better. Of course, we have to place it in the inner corner just to like make it pop. And the arch of our brow. Slay! I got something in my eye. And for our cheeks, we are gonna use the Fenty Demi Glow highlighter because it is like a rosé type of color, and I think it just looks good. It adds to the blush. I think next what I'm going to focus on is my brows using this NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I love it because it makes my brows look amazing, and it literally takes me probably like a minute to do my brows. Now using this Bejeweled palette from Tarte, I'm gonna go in with this brown so I can make a little smoky liner. Smoky. Okay, curl the lashes now. The Milani mascara. And this is how I do my freckles. I use this e.l.f. Liquid Halo Glow contour and a bobby pin. Is that how you say this? e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Contour? That's like that's a lot. On our face, that was a rail on our face. Cute. Okay. We're all freckled up. I am gonna use this Urban Decay All Nighter spray and just go over. I think I'm gonna go in with this mini Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I think it's in the shade Pink, I think. This is going to be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed very much. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. If you do want to keep up with me, I do post on TikTok on a daily, as well as Instagram and even Pinterest. I love y'all very much, and I will see you next time. Bye, dolls.